So I'm excited to share with you that I have a new class and kit coming your way. It has 4 stencils that enable you to be able to cut everything you need, as well as this PDF which has very clear instructions for you, including scoring instructions on how to make this. So there is a video and you follow the video instructions as well as the PDF instructions, and you will be able to make this stamped storage idea. So the whole idea is I quite often stamp and pre-cut on my brother a whole lot of my images and then have to store them, and I have been storing them just in little bags in a box. And I thought it would be really nice if I could actually just organize them a little better. So in each pocket there is an envelope full of the stamped images already cut, and so I have for all the bigger ones over here, and then we have the gatefold area for the smaller stamps in the flip up pockets. Now the nice thing is all these pockets are concertinaed, that big ones as well. That means if you want to do more envelopes for each of your pockets, you can by all means do that. And so you could have a number of envelopes in there, for example, one with the outline, one with no outline, and one that you have already pre-colored your images. So you could really put quite a lot in each one of these pockets, and so that's why this is expandable. So if your box gets quite or your things get quite bulky, this will expand with it, and so then you would be able to just do this up, take it to a crop, or have it on a shelf, and when you are wanting to make a card using this set of designs, all you have to do is grab this folio, grab out the envelope of what you need. So for example, I have a mix in this one of ready colored and blanks, and so then I would be able to grab out either one that has already been colored or start a new one depending on the card that I'm making. Of course you don't have to put them in the little bags, they just were already in bags, so it made sense to leave them in there for now. So this is my exciting new class for you with the video and the stencils in the kit.